Hey guys, today's lesson is super fun. It's the difference between what a major and minor chord is. Some may think this is simple, but others really want to know. So I'm going to make it really easy for you guys. Let's take C, for example, C major. All you're going to do is you're going to bring this middle finger or this middle note and bring it down a half step. Now you can do that with any chord. Let's take the next one, D. Just take this middle, bring it down a half step. Now it's minor. How do you know the difference between a major and minor? Well, let's take C again. Do you see that there's 3 notes between this C and this E? That will be the case every time. Let's just go to D again. 1, 2, 3 notes between this D and F sharp. We could go up the entire piano. 1, 2, 3. Now, to make it minor, from C major to minor, there's just 2. 1, 2. And then the E flat comes. Let's go to D. There's 1, 2 notes between that D and F. So that's the secret to knowing what the difference is between a major and minor chord. Let me give you a cool example of the difference in sound. Let's take Apologize by Timbaland and One Republic. So this song is in minor, and it sounds like this. So if we were to make that major, it would sound a lot different. Instantly you're thinking that doesn't even sound nearly the same, but I'm just made something that was minor major. And that's the difference, is I just moved the notes that were minor and made it major. With the left hand, all I was doing was from that C, instead of playing that A flat, I made it natural. So, to take it a step further, the C major scale, to make it minor, you would just go the way that you would count the C minor scale is you would go whole, which means from here to here is a whole, from here to here is a half. So whole, half, whole, whole, half, whole, whole. Let's do that again. For minor, it's whole, half, whole, whole, half, whole, whole. For major, it's whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half. So if you take those scale numbering systems and apply them, you can do it that way. I have a feeling that a lot of you guys are like, I'm not messing with the numbering system. I'm just going to remember what you said. So the easiest way to do that is just memorize, okay, if I'm going to go and play a chord, that middle note has to go down a half step. And if you're sometimes jumping around and you don't know if it's a minor or major, say like you think this is a major, then try to move this middle one up or down one. Okay, so that's actually the major. You're playing the minor first. So just mess around with this middle key, because that's gonna be the determining factor when you're just a beginner and playing beginner chords, is that middle note. It's gonna either be a minor or a major. So hope you enjoyed that. Hope you learned something. And yeah, until next time, guys. Peace.